What's up, everybody? It's your boy, DK Reviews, back at it again, and today, we're diving headfirst into a beast of a truck, the 2024 Nissan Titan Warrior. This ain't your average grocery getter, folks. This is a machine built for conquering mountains, towing your houseboat, and leaving a trail of dust in the faces of lesser pickups. Exterior design. Now, let's get visual. Picture this. An aggressive front grille that looks like it could chew metal for breakfast. Bulging fenders that house knobby tires begging to dig into dirt. A stance that screams, "Move out of my way, I'm on a mission." The Titan Warrior ain't just big, it's confident. Power and performance. But looks ain't everything. This beast roars with a 400 horsepower, 5.6 liters V8 engine that delivers enough grunt to make a grizzly bear jealous. We're talking 0 to 60 in under 6 seconds, folks. This truck can haul the groceries and then some, whether it's your weekend warriors or a trailer full of lumber. And speaking of hauling, the Titan Warrior boasts a best-in-class towing capacity of 12,700 pounds. Yeah, you read that right. Your boat, your RV, your tiny house. This truck's got your back. Off-road prowess. But wait, there's more. This ain't just a pavement princess. The Titan Warrior comes ready for adventure with features like Bilstein A registered shocks. These bad boys can handle any pothole, rut, or rock like a champ. Hill descent control. No more white-knuckling it downhill. This system keeps you in control on even the steepest slopes. Electronic locking rear differential. Get maximum traction when things get slippery. Underbody skid plates. Protect your precious engine and guts from nasty obstacles. Interior and tech. Okay, so you're impressed with the power and off-road grid, but what about comfort? Don't worry, Nissan hasn't forgotten about that. The interior's a mix of ruggedness and luxury, with leather-trimmed seats that are just as happy hauling you to work as they are taking you on a trail run. Plus, the tech on board is top-notch, with a touchscreen infotainment system, Bose registered sound system, and even a heads-up display to keep your eyes on the road. So, is the 2024 Nissan Titan Warrior the truck for you? If you're a weekend warrior who enjoys getting dirty, a contractor who needs a workhorse, or just someone who appreciates a truck that can handle anything you throw at it, then the answer is a resounding yes. This isn't just a truck, it's a statement. It says, "I'm ready for anything, anywhere, anytime." So, what are you waiting for? Head down to your local Nissan dealer and take the Titan Warrior for a spin. You won't regret it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a comment below letting me know what you think of this beast of a truck.